Land Cruiser interior conversion set, all the way from 2008 till 2015 to change look to 2016 to 21. And we also have 23 design, so the DVD will be different, and the center console is different, and the steering wheel is different, of course. So everything is different, by the way. This is the AC grill, like this. Okay, that's the vent. Everything's functional here, moving very well. This is it's working as well. Okay, this is operating easy. Buttons are here as well. You can hear the click also. See? And these two buttons new, before it was not there. Now it's complete. The airbag cover, the airbag is functional. Side trim, leather. We have it beige and black, two options. This is gear control. This is where you put a push button. Okay. Start button here. Another vent. This is a speaker cover on the top, on the dashboard. If you have woofer, subwoofer or not, so it comes together. This is for the down control trims, for the AC trims. When you put DVD, there is a ashtray, okay, and there is a ashtray door like this behind. Gear knob. We have with wood grain paneling or like this silver. Most of the time customers prefer this option. Side trims with the clips, all the wires, USB connection. And for the heaters, we have separate button if you need. If you don't need, no need, or otherwise you can purchase one separate. This is a handbrake cover. All right, it's already clicked together here. Everything in one color. It's all black with silver trims. So they match up together with the gear knob. That's the set. All right. Thanks for watching.